Hi guys, this is Joel. I'm gonna make some yellow rice. This is what I'm gonna start with. Some green onion, sweet pepper, grandules beans. I'm gonna cut up the onion real small.
Also, you don't need to make the onion too small.
Okay, I'm gonna put it in some sweet pepper, garlic, I'm gonna cut up the garlic real small. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the garlic. I'm gonna pour it in the pot now. I'm gonna put some butter. One spoon of butter. I'm gonna stir it a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna open the grandules beans. I'm gonna throw off the water. No water supposed to inside. Shake a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna put it in the basin. I'm gonna pour it inside the pot. Gonna stir. I'm gonna go ahead and use some tomato sauce. Give you the nice color. I'm gonna put it inside. Stir. Take out everything. Okay, I'm gonna open this yellow rice container. I'm gonna pour it inside the basin. I'm not gonna use one pack. I'm gonna use two to give it the nice color. Okay. I'm gonna get some regular rice. Put the yellow rice inside first. Okay. I'm gonna get some regular rice, brown rice, 3 cups full. I'm gonna wash the rice. Make sure you wash it real good. I'm gonna throw off the water. I'm gonna wash it 2 times. And pour off the water. Strain it off real good. No water supposed to left in the container. I'm gonna drain it off real properly. Okay, I'm gonna put the yellow rice first in the pot. I'm gonna stir to get everything together. Make sure you get a good flavor. I'm gonna put some adobo inside. I'm gonna put some basil inside to get a good flavor. Okay, I'm gonna put some garlic powder. Give you a nice flavor. Really flavorful. I'm gonna put some all-purpose. Not a lot, a little bit. I'm gonna stir again. I'm gonna stir. I'm gonna taste the flavor if it need more spice. Okay, this is good. I'm gonna pour the rice inside. I'm gonna stir. When you put the rice inside, you have to turn down the stove, not too high. I'm gonna start to get both the yellow rice and the regular rice together. Stir everything together. Okay, I'm gonna cover the pot now. Turn it up a little bit, not too high. I'm gonna clean up the surrounding now and put a little more tomato sauce inside to give you the nice flavor. Okay, I think I'm done with this now. I'm gonna clean my surrounding now. Put the stuff together where it belongs to.
And how long should you leave the yellow rice on the stove?
Maybe 20, maybe half an hour.
Half an hour?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or maybe an hour, depends. It's gonna take at least 1 hour to cook. You have to gauge the stove, not too high. I'm gonna cut some more onion to give it a nice flavor, real flavorful. This is very delicious. Very, very delicious. A lot of Jamaican people don't know how to prepare Spanish rice. I'm going to show them how to go ahead and make the Spanish rice. Spanish rice, we call it yellow rice. It doesn't matter. That's okay. I'm going to prepare it with some salmon fish. Okay. Okay. I'm going to season up my salmon now. I'm going to cut up my onion. I'm going to get some mixed season. I'm going to sprinkle it over. I already wash it with vinegar to take away the rawness. I'm going to put some seasoned paprika, all purpose. I combine all seasoned together to give me a good combination. Okay, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to put some onion. And peel off my onion. I'm going to cut my onion. Pepper is very hot.
Oh, should have got a mask.
I'm gonna put 1 onion on it. Give it a nice flavor. I'm gonna put some garlic. A lot of garlic. Okay. I'm gonna peel off the garlic. When I'm done, I'm gonna cut them up. Okay, I'm gonna try to get everything. Alright, I'm gonna cut it up on top. When I get everything complete, I'm gonna rub it in the season inside. I'm gonna put some sweet pepper on top. This is my frozen sweet pepper. Keep them fresh. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna put on my gloves. I'm gonna rub in the season to the inside the salmon.